Hey everybody, today we are engraving an axe and a little bit more. First we're gonna hit it with our CO2 laser and then we're gonna hit it with our fiber laser. So let's check it out. This is real time.
Usually you can watch the video on full screen, but it's not running on here.
Did it autofocus?
It's supposed to autofocus before it fires. All I gotta do is just play and autofocus. And does it look like it's out of focus?
Oh, it looks like some of the details lost, but maybe it's just through here.
I like how you're looking at it. Can you look at it through the camera?
Yeah.
Yeah, oh yeah, the camera it gets white out. Right, the camera pick it up.
It looks awesome.
Yeah. I know the Mac.
Oh, sweet.
That black.
Yeah, that's awesome. What the hell's that doing?
That's just cool. That's really
Oh, hell.
So these items were for our friends over at Axehole on the Fremont Experience. I hope they enjoy them. That last bit was our new salesman Cody freaking out over the fiber laser and how awesome it is. He's never seen it run before. And I don't blame him because the first time it's always pretty amazing and overwhelming. And I think until next time, you better keep making.